guys, welcome to my channel. Now is another game for us to join. I hope you enjoy, guys. I hope you join. And if you guess the thing, the mystery sound that I will show afterwards, then I will give you surprise. You just choose what you want, singing or talking or chatting. Yes, guys. So you must guess this thing, the mystery sound that I will show up soon. So let's try first this one, the sound. I will give you a clue, very simple, very easy. The thing is, yes, and this one, yes. So you must later you must be see what I'm talking, or you must choose which the mystery sound is. It's very simple, guys. It's very easy to guess, so you can grab it. It's your time to take your opportunity to talk to me, to chat with me, or maybe you can. Yes, thank you very much, and get ready, guys. You must be ready. Okay, now it's my turn. Yes, now I'm here. Now I'm going to show you which sound like is. Okay, I will show you what sound this is. So you must choose. You must watch carefully. You must listen carefully, guys. So one, the sound is you just choose whether the one or the other one. Okay, this one, guys. Ready, get set, go. Which sound is that, guys? Which sound is that? You must choose the thing that I showed earlier. You must write it down. If you say or the container or the foot of cream, yeah, you just write below, guys. Which sound is that I'm showing you now? So very simple. It's very easy, guys. You can guess. So take your opportunity to talk to me and comment down, guys. Yeah, thank you very much. I hope you can get it and very fast. The first one is the winner, guys. So you must be listen carefully and watch the video carefully. Thank you. Have a nice day. I hope you enjoy my mystery sound for today, and let's have a fun game for a while. After I will come in lunchtime, I will talk you, and I will reply all your comments. Please don't forget to leave message, guys, so we can banding each other. So every day I will make a game for our banding. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. This is Lauderita Chanli from Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Bye bye.